Nokia mobile phones come packed with one amazing feature after another. When it comes to technology, Nokia is considered the most reliable phone brand. You get powerful camera quality, along with stunning build quality. And now, Nokia is all set to launch yet another spectacular smartphone, one that comes with a 144 megapixel DSLR grade camera, and a massive 7500 mAh battery. Yes, you heard that right. We're talking about the Nokia Lumia 400 Ultra 5G smartphone. If you're also excited to buy this phone, then make sure to watch this video till the end, because today we'll be revealing all the leaked features, price, and launch date of this powerhouse smartphone. So let's start. Features of Nokia Lumia 400 Ultra 5G. According to media reports, this Nokia smartphone will feature a 6.87-inch Full HD+ LTPO OLED display, with a 144 Hz refresh rate, and 2K resolution. On top of that, it will also come with Corning Gorilla Glass Victus 3 protection, and an IP68 rating for water resistance. Camera setup. This new Nokia smartphone will sport a quad camera setup, with the primary sensor being a massive 144 megapixel lens. Alongside that, you'll also get 32 megapixel, 8 megapixel, and 2 megapixel secondary cameras. And for selfie lovers, there's a 50 megapixel front-facing sensor. Battery beast. Nokia has packed this phone with a 7500 mAh battery, supported by 100-watt fast charging, and a USB Type-C Gen 2 port. Say goodbye to frequent charging. Performance in OS. Under the hood, this phone is expected to run on MediaTek's powerhouse Dimensity 9400 processor. And for the operating system, it's likely to come with Android 16 out of the box. Price and launch date. Finally, let's talk about the price. This phone is expected to launch in the US market for around $599. And as for the launch date, there's no official confirmation yet, but stay tuned, because we'll update you as soon as we know more.